I'm Jana. I'm the PBIS specialist at STEP Head Start. I would like to invite all of our Clinton County families to attend our parent workshop. We have it every Tuesday from 8:30 to 10 at the Clinton County Community Center. We hope you can come. We do offer it virtually if you can't come to the building, or come in person and we are in the boardroom. We also do provide childcare. So what is our parent workshop? This is a time that we can talk about positive parenting. We talk about using positive language and also providing quality time with your child. We'll be making some PBIS materials for you to use at home as well. Here is a short video clip of one parent talking about her experience with the parent workshop.
They were teaching us about how not to use negative words. So instead of telling him, don't run down the hallway, I say, we walk in the house and we run outside and play. It just kind of reiterated a lot of other things that I do with him, you know, being animated when I'm talking to him and trying to teach him things to make it fun, because nobody likes boring learning.
If you have any questions about your child's behavior at school or at home, please join us. There are 4 weeks left, but if you haven't attended yet, it's not too late. You can attend any of these sessions or all of them. We can't wait for you to come. So call or text me at 570-772-6892 if you'd like to attend. Thanks and have a great day.